Hi classmates! So today, we are going to discuss how to multiply radicals. But before that, don't forget to click the subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated on our lessons in mathematics. So let's get started! So now, let us discuss how to multiply radicals with the same index. So there is only one rule to remember. So when we multiply radicals that contains the same index, we are just going to multiply our radicand. Now if you don't know where is the index and where is the radicand, I will put the link above for you to be able to check out our video on the different parts of our radicals. So here we have our three examples. So the first one is a square root of 2 multiplied to square root of 3. So notice that they have the same index. So based on the rule, we are just going to multiply our radicand. So our radicand 2 multiplied to 3, the answer is 6. And we just copy the radical symbol. Therefore, our answer is square root of 6. Next, we have the cube root of 7 multiplied to cube root of 3. Notice, our index is the same. So just multiply our radicand. So 7 times 3, the answer is 21. And we just copy our radical symbol, that is cube root of 21. So that is our answer for number 1 and number 2. So our third example contains a number and a variable. But you just check their index if they are the same. And notice, this is a 2 and 2. So they are just the same. We are just going to multiply the radicand. So when we multiply 2 times 3, our answer is 6. And x times x, remember the laws of exponent, if you have the same base, we will just add the exponent when it is multiplication. So your x will become squared. And copy our radical symbol. And take note, since our index here is 2 and we have an exponent that is 2, we can extract our variable x. So our answer is x to the square root of 6. And this will be a plus and minus. So our final answer is a positive and negative x times the square root of 6. So now let us have our fourth example. What if you are given a monomial term multiplied to a binomial term? And our monomial term contains a number and a radical, and our binomial term contains a number and a radical and a number. How are you going to solve this one? It's very simple. So the first thing that you are going to do is just look at first your number. So your number 3 here, you are just going to multiply to your number 2 in your binomial. So that's 3 times 2. The answer is 6. Next, your square root of 2 will be multiplied to square root of 5. Because based on the rule, if they have the same index, just multiply the radicals. So 2 times 5, and that is just 10. And we copy our radical. So therefore, 3 square root of 2 multiplied to 2 square root of 5 is just equal to 6 square root of 10. Next, copy our plus symbol. And since we only have a number here, our number 4 will be just multiplied to 3. And the answer is 12. However, your 4 does not have a radical, but your 3 does contain a square root of 2. So you are just going to copy your square root of 2. So your answer now is 6 square root of 10 plus 12 square root of 2. When you multiply 3 square root of 2 multiplied to 2 square root of 5 plus 4. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe and hit the bell button for you to be updated on our next video. Until next time, peace!